Teespring is a popular online platform that allows users to design and sell custom apparel, including t-shirts, hoodies, and other clothing items. Here's a brief summary of how you can make money online with Teespring in 2024. How it works. 1. Design and create products. Use Teespring's design tools to create custom t-shirts, hoodies, and other products with your own designs, logos, or text. 2. Set your own prices. Determine the price you want to sell your products for, and Teespring will take care of the production and shipping. 3. Promote your products. Share your designs on social media, email, or blog to drive traffic and sales. 4. Earn royalties. For each sale made, you earn a percentage of the revenue, royalties, as determined by Teespring's pricing structure. Teespring's revenue model. 1. Base price. You set the base price for your product. 2. Teespring's markup. Teespring adds a markup to the base price. Varies depending on the product type. 3. Royalties. You earn a percentage of the total revenue, calculated after Teespring's markup. Teespring's revenue sharing structure. 1. 50% royalties. For sales of $20 less, you earn 50% of the revenue. 2. 40% royalties. For sales between $20 to $50, you earn 40% of the revenue. 3. 30% royalties. For sales above $50, you earn 30% of the revenue. Tips to succeed on Teespring. 1. Create high-quality designs. Use high-quality images and design elements to make your products stand out. 2. Target a specific niche. Focus on a specific audience or niche to increase your chances of success. 3. Use social media effectively. Leverage social media platforms to promote your products and engage with your audience. 4. Optimize your product titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords and descriptions to improve search visibility. In 2024, consider 1. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. 2. YouTube and video content. Create engaging video content showcasing your products or designs to attract new audiences. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to promote your products and designs.